We are joined by Mr. R.K. Jain, the CMD of Gail. Sir, firstly to start off with, the tariffs have come in much lower than what the company was anticipating and the street was anticipating. Are you convinced with PNGRB's argument that at this moment will not consider the higher capital expenditure or the operational cost that Gail is expected to bear?
Good morning. First, let me correct you. I am Director of Finance on the board of Gail. And the tariff order has only been issued yesterday night. And our submission of tariff was around 78 rupees per MMBTU. And we were expecting the tariff should be around 72 rupees per MMBTU. But that was supposed to be a final kind of order. But PNGRB, we are experiencing first time I issued an interim relief kind of order, which is saying the tariff is 65 rupees 69 paisa. In fact, they have not moderated our claims. They only said that as an interim relief for two parameters, that is system used gas and the pipeline capacity determination they are giving, and the balance will be available to us from April 28, and we will be filing tariff in 27-28. In fact, deferment of tariff is, if you see from Gail's point of view, we get 15% return on deferment because the tariff is calculated on discounted cash flow methodology, and any delay in processing of tariff or any delay in considering the parameters which are not being considered will give Gail 15% return. So from our perspective, you can say it can be a deferment, but it is not the fact that we are eligible for that and it is not available.
I understand that there could be, because of this deferment, you might get some additional 15% return that you were talking about. But you are also expecting these tariffs to be applicable from the 1st of Jan 2025. But then that is also not happening. It is going to be effective from... Right.
Yeah, that's what we have been telling or following, that we submitted tariff in August 24. Normal tariff processing takes 6 months to 8 months. Then this tariff has been processed in more than a year's time. And any delay certainly hurts customers because on net present value basis it actually increases. So whatever moderations have been done, if it also delays, then as a pipeline entity we are eligible for that, it will be available, but certainly it will increase burden on customers. So from our perspective, the interim relief of 66 rupees is given, almost 65 rupees 69 paisa, and we are studying the tariff order where all moderations have been done, and certainly we will be appropriately taking up wherever we feel that these moderations are not in line with the regulations.
So, are you saying that you could make an appeal with the PNGRB if you find that this moderations that PNGRB has considered is not in line?
Yes, certainly we have not gone through the order yet. It was posted yesterday night. Certainly, if there are some issues in the tariff order, we certainly will request PNGRB to look back.
Say suppose PNGRB goes ahead with considering the capital expenditure and the operational cost that the company is expected to bear. Do you expect the tariffs to be revised to what you had asked for 70, that is 77.9?
It will be more than 78 because now on net present value basis it has further increased.
Right.
Mr. Jain, can I just come in here? PNGRB on its part, when they have spoken to media, is saying that Gail's ask is too much. So you may anticipate with your plea that the number could be as per your ask or higher, but PNGRB doesn't seem to be believing. So I'm saying this only because you haven't read the order, but we've heard from PNGRB already.
The ask is in terms of the law, in terms of the regulations. Ask means something which was supposed to be available to us in April 23. April 23, we submitted tariff of 68 rupees per MMBTU. At that point of time, PNGRB moderated the tariff to 58 rupees 60 paisa, and they considered gas price.
Sir, can I just come in? So, you are saying that this is as per law, in which case PNGRB should already have acceded to your demand. The fact that they haven't, and they believe that the ask is too much, which means that that number is out of question already. Mr. Jain?
Yeah, there is signal. You maybe for a minute you have to wait.
Okay.
Okay, we will...
No, so Mr. Jain, can you hear me? Mr. Jain?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So my
Yeah.
question is that this is now for all purposes, this is locked till April 2028. Do you see this impacting your capex plans in any way? Do you see this as a problem, and do you see raw material prices or input cost escalations which will be a detriment to you, because there are some estimates of how this will hit your earnings per share, etc. Do you see this as a pain point?
First of all, we do not feel immediately that it is locked up till April 28. We need to go through the tariff order, and if we feel that some moderations which has been done are not in line with the regulations, certainly we'll take up with PNGRB. That is first thing. Second, this moderation does not impact in any way our capex plan. Gail's debt equity ratio is quite comfortable. We are highly unleveraged. So we have ability through internal generation, certainly through borrowings to take up capex plans. That's not a worry for us.
Right, sir. Just wanted to understand at this moment, post this hike has come in, what will be the actual realized tariff for Gail? Because at this moment, I believe Gail is getting a premium of around 6 rupees per MMBTU, given the fact that you have been allocating volumes very smartly, and that has resulted into a higher realization of tariffs. So post this hike, what will be the actual realized tariff for the company?
We'll review and come back because this has not yet been done. So we'll be doing our distributions. It is difficult to comment at this point of time.
Definitely be at a premium, given the fact that you are earning a premium right now also?
There is nothing like premium. Is it in terms of regulations? We submit our tariff on locations, and that is in terms of regulation it is allowed.
And lastly, sir, the zonal tariff decision, by when do you expect that to come in?
The order itself says that we have to submit within 7 days. We will be doing our job, and hopefully the PNGRB will also do maybe before 31st December, because order says that it will be applicable from 1/1/2026. So hopefully in December both the things will happen. We'll submit and PNGRB issue the zonal order.